When cleaning up after plasterboard installation, it is important to reduce the amount of dust generated. Many building sites now prohibit the use of brooms to sweep up plasterboard dust. Instead, use an industrial vacuum cleaner fitted with a HEPA filter and dampen down the floor before vacuuming. Plasterboard can be recycled. Manufacturer recycling schemes are being introduced progressively across Australia and are designed to help building contractors minimise plasterboard waste and recycle offcuts during construction. Upon completion of gypsum board installation, the fixing contractor simply leaves all off-cut plasterboard material to be recycled just inside the boundary for collection. The fixing contractor arranges collection directly with the manufacturer's recycling contractor. After collection, the material is guaranteed to be 100% fully recycled. Plasterboard is manufactured from gypsum, paper, and a small amount of additives. Gypsum is a naturally occurring sedimentary rock. It is non-toxic and it is also used as a food additive and agricultural soil improver. The liner board used is primarily recycled newspaper and cartons. The additives are benign materials such as starch and foam. The offcuts and waste collected are fed back directly into the production process. Contamination of plasterboard material can make material unrecyclable. Only new clean plasterboard waste can be accepted. Non-acceptable materials include vinyl covered panels, non-plasterboard ceiling panels, metal components or fixings, fibre cement, mixing boards with set cement, demolition waste, timber, chemicals, plastic, packaging, paper, or general building waste and rubbish. Rain-dampened plasterboard can be accepted if clean. Any nails or screws should be collected and sorted ready for reuse. Damaged nails, screws, and metal corner beading can also be recycled. Empty materials drums and buckets can also be recycled. Tools used with plastering compounds should be cleaned thoroughly with water, and the water can be treated in a cleaning station or discharged on a flat grassy area at least 10 metres from any drain. Unused setting compounds should be allowed to harden before disposal in hard rubbish. Unused material should be collected, sealed, and removed from site for use on the next project.